Well, good morning, traders. It is the 28th of October, 2015. It's the middle of the trading day today. My name is Thomas Ryan. I am the publisher of our daily and weekly trading opportunities newsletter. We publish this every day with daily and weekly swing trade opportunities. About 200 market days a year. Feel free to join us for a free trial if you like. These are our current statistics for the year to date. We're up about 11% on the daily trades. Weekly trades are up about 7% with the market, which is slightly down or flat for the year. Usually what I do in these videos is walk through some trades, and I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to walk through TC2000. If you're just starting out trading and you've come across TC2000, you've come to the right place. They don't pay me to say this. I use this. I've been a platinum subscriber to the TC2000 platform for about 4 years now. And it's a great tool, and I thought I'd show you real quickly how to do some screens. The most important thing is when you're starting out in trading is to find where the stocks are. And so if you can find the stocks that are moving, you're probably going to make money. If you don't find stocks that are moving, you're not going to make money. It sounds simple, but it's so very important. So what we want to do is we want to use TC2000 to find stocks at the start of every day which are liable to move in the direction we want. In this case, short. So what I'm going to look for is stocks, and one of the best ways to do that is look for volume changes. So this is a scan which I've done, which is the stock is at a new 3-day high and volume is at a new 3-day low. So how would we do that? And we're going to scan the S&P 500 for that. So we go up here to the price. This is Clorox, symbol CLX. We do a right click on the symbol, create a scan condition. And here we go, new high over 3 days. Daily is the time frame. I can make this any time frame I want, but we're looking for daily. So we're going to scan this in a new window. We've now found a stock at all the stocks at 3-day highs. We're going to change this over to S&P 500. So we're now at all the stocks that are 3-day highs. Let's just take a quick look at them. LVLT, there it is. Totally taken off today. Must have been an earnings day today for them. CBRE Group, another huge move for these guys. GNW, Genworth. That would have been a great one to be trading today. I looked at that yesterday. I should have traded it. Enough of that. Now we want to go and look at the other factor. Let's close this out. Discard changes. Volume, new daily low. So the price is at a new high, but the volume is at a new low over the course of the last 3 days. So one of the amazing things about TC2000 is that you can scan on just about any technical indicator that you've got on your screen. In fact, all of them. So if I go to volume and I do a right click on volume, create a scan, I want the volume to be at a new low over the past 3 days. Scan a new window. You saw how I did that. So now we're clicking on any one of these indicators in order to create a scan from that indicator. And here's what we created. Price history is at a new 3-day high. Volume is at a 3-day low. These are stocks which are liable to probably have a change coming up shortly. No trend can continue if volume is not there. So let's further take a look at this and see what would be the ones we'd want to look at that might want to be ready to make that change. And this is where, we could probably refine this a little bit more and find the stocks that we like better. In fact, let's do this. Let's take the stochastic, the daily stochastic, do a right click on that, and let's copy that over to our watch list. Add a column right here. The stochastic indicator value is now here in this column. So let's do a quick sort and start with the stocks that are most overbought. So here's a stock which is very overbought, Kimco Realty, totally overbought. And they also meets our conditions, where it's at a 3-day volume low and it's at a 3-day price high. So that doesn't look like a particularly great one to go short. Next thing I'm going to look for is probably a doji or a declining candle, or preferably a stock which is actually moving already. So let's go down in the stochastic rankings a little bit, down into the low 80s and maybe the high 70s. This is where you're going to start to find things I think that are changing. So sure enough, Here we have Lamb Research, got a red candle on that at the top of a long run. This could be getting ready to go somewhere. Let's move our scan over here, get this out of the way a little bit so we can take a better look at what's going on longer term with this stock. Longer term, it's had a big fall off, and this could be the beginning of a longer term trend, but it still has a very higher trend on the higher time frame, so I'm going to probably skip that one out a little bit. This might be a little bit better. Wyndham Worldwide, not particularly doing anything. Today's a long day. I think the market's up about 80 or 90 points right now. So, the final piece is going to be the intelligence that we're going to add into it as traders. Here's another one. This stock is at a peak that's matched by other peaks up here. Is it going to break those out, or is it going to see those? Those are formerly sell points. This could be another sell point shaping up here. The stock simply is running out of gas. And here it goes. We're looking at it right now at Dow Chemical. So it's a big red candle just came in there on Dow Chemical. Something's going on with my mail. And Zion's Corp, no. These are not stocks that I want. No. But you get the point. There's one. Pfizer, another pharma in trouble. Could be reacting to these sell points up here. And it's got an amazing MACD divergence here on the weekly chart. Yeah, I would say this is potentially a good one, but the volume's not that low. So I'd like to find stocks that look more like this. Very consistent declining volume with a move up like that. That could be getting ready to break. So we keep on going down the list, and we may find stocks that are breaking, ready to go in the direction we want them to go. Here's a good one, Comcast Corp. Look at that divergence there on the higher time frame. Potentially a double top shaping up in here with another divergence. This is interesting. So we might want to take that trade. It's moving down now. It's run out of gas because, again, we'll focus in here again, low volume. It's already started a downtrend or turn here, and we'd like to see a higher volume on some of these red candles to indicate some strength in the turn. Not there yet. Looks like a lot of the market is starting to turn right now. I don't know what it's doing just yet, but that's the point of this screen that we're looking for here. Very easy to set up. Lower declining volume, 3-day low volume on a new high. That's a stock that's ready to turn. We'll look for some support for that idea in some of the higher time frames. That's one way to get you started, and I think I'm going to do some more of these over the next few days. You can see ways to create quick and easy scans in TC2000 without getting distracted. Stay tuned. Stop by, get a free subscription to the newsletter if you like. We look forward to having you around.